Kariboy College hakas ni thodeng kala penlong da ka program kerpang ban penpawi ke jingsongo ya ke sorkar pat ban lekmen hadin ba ke sorkar jela kala mang ya ke sanction post lengba ka People's College Grand in AIDS ba ka Neko College kala yo ya ke kerdan kum ka wei na ki Community College bala itu da ke sorkar hapo ke jela u menteri katanat puli puti ke sorkar jela u ba lakmen remboi kumu kongsan ulawan ban shimmenta hakane ke program Hariboy College but kum menteri katanat puli puti daladehi ulawan ban IT ya ke order jong ka sanctioning post na ke benta ke Hariboy College Kumman penpau ba ka sorkar jela lengba ka People's College Grand in Aid Scheme jong ka sorkar jela kala dep ban mang hadu khatlaitli ki sanction post na ka benta ki bela don lupa hakate ka college but khat prangot pat ki de ki sanction post batamai but habakhen kulum kane Kariboy College kala yo pdiang hadu life weight li ki sanctioning post bakantup na ka benta ka teaching but non-teaching staff hapo ka ni ka college hakani ki singi laidon kat nadu u Dr. Didi Lapang ubadi u president ka governing body jong ka college but ubadi u advisor ka sorkar jela u MLA ka nongpo uba Meral Bonds aim u MDC ka nongpo u principal ka college uba SSR Bamon but kuntup nadu ki samla pule ki nong hikai but ki wei ki rirang ba na ki dong but ki than jong ka nongpo
I'm happy to have Sri Balajit Rani for local MDC. Through today that we are here through the dedication, through the hard work of each and everyone of the person concerned who have been having a sleepless night since the beginning, since the inception of this beautiful college that has had a foundation in this very, very beautiful place now. It is like a dream come true, as I have said, that today the Honorable Minister in charge of education by himself is coming to hand it over that Hariboy College will be regarded as the People's College to grant the aid scheme government. This initiative, we have seen the proactive steps taken by the government with regards to education. We have seen since Saramburi has taken over as the education minister, there are many bold steps that has been taken. Even though it has been taken quite a few some time to deliver, due to many reasons known to everyone, especially due to COVID-19. But today, we are happy to be here that this college will be regarded as a people's college. Thank you so much, sir. And we know the groundwork that you have done by yourself. We know the groundwork that have done by the officer concerned, by the bureaucrats, be it at the secretariat, be it at district level, and we are happy to see that education in our state, it has going from strength to strength. Not only the special recognition of the 9 colleges in the state as People's College, positive step has been witnessed with regards to strengthening of the lower primary school within the state. We cannot deny the fact. We cannot deny the fact. Even in our area in Hariboy district also, many government schools, government LP schools, they have been assisted with many infrastructure with regards to proper classrooms, with proper teaching, where we have seen that many teachers' new equipment has been done through MTech. This is a great achievement by the education department. Not only to have the proper infrastructure at the ground for the lower primary, for the upper primary, but at the same time to have a quality education in our area.
And a day to meet with Pesach. See, this encouragement is very rare. So thank you, Mr. God bless you, and all along the way, that your blessings will be benefited by others. We have got another members of the governing body besides MTC. We got Sarah Kansai Makdo, the senior, full of vision also, has been in the role playing of development Rivoy. We got Kansai Makdo, then Army Shadab, the moment is the president of Rivoy Dalbar. So the governing body feels people from the above first may have a say for the welfare of this college. They've got ESCO, nurse corps, and then from the foundation still today, they are there in the governing body, they have got the name office. Well, we are glad to have the goal that Mrs. Bra and the principal have given a little bit of the background of the college, and we're thankful we are going ahead, and with a change of circumstances, the change of problem around, my advice is we have to take a stand. Have to take a stand. I have always reminded friends about the life of Napoleon. I have repeatedly said because I always get a message.
Prior to 2018, about tens and thousands of students applied for scholarship. But last year, only around 7,000 students benefited from scholarship. The problem is that the income limit. I have written to the ministry that they should increase income limit to 4.5 lakh. If they increase, many of the student community will benefit. So it is a work in progress for the student welfare also. Besides that, for primary school, for elementary and secondary school, 191 LP schools have been sanctioned for accreditation, and secondary school and high secondary school also with new building. And we hope that this year will trend, because we know that LP school all over the state, they are in a very shambles. So we want to give the infrastructure, because for quality education, you have to have quality teachers, you have to have a quality infrastructure. And we know that now, with a new teaching methodology, with new advanced technology, until and unless we have a good infrastructure, it is very difficult. Where to store the other, maybe primary school also next time they will do online, this and that, where to store all those gadgets. It is very difficult until and unless we address this issue. Yes, many in the state are in a shambles, but we will, for the first time, the government about 400 schools is undertaken. Never ever before since the statehood that this massive infrastructure development have taken place. And we know the problem of the ad hoc appointment of teachers is lying for tens of years. Ad hoc, temporary. And we have to decide. We cannot please anybody. Being the head of affairs, somebody will be happy and somebody will be not happy. But at some point of time, we have to start somewhere. That's why last year, more than 1,000 plus teachers have been appointed in lower primary school and upper primary school. And we will do more.